Hey everyone, this is DotExecutable. I am going to be posting a series of tutorials because I think computer coding is a lot of fun. So, in the future we will be getting into Visual Basic, which don't quote me, but I think this is made by Microsoft. But first we're going to start out in this tutorial and the next one. We're going to be playing around with batch files. These don't do much, but I guess they're pretty good for starters. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up Notepad. I'm new with this Cam Studio, so I'm just, I'm learning. Alright, so the first thing you got to do in a batch file is type the @ sign and then echo auth. Sorry, my bad. Echo auth. Then you're just going to go to a new line. And then to make it say something, you just type echo. And then whatever you want it to say. Now, this is something that everybody should know. But if you want to skip a line, you put an echo and then a dot. Because if you just put echo and then enter, it'll say echo is off, and that's not what we want. So we put a dot and then you can put another line. I don't know why you have to put echo before you put what you want it to say, but I guess you just do, so do it. And at the end you have to put pause, because I'll show you what happens if you don't put pause. Well, first let's learn how to save it. Just put pause, go to file, save as. Just save it anywhere as whatever file name. But whatever after your file name, put .bat, .bat, and then save it. This is what it'll turn out like. Oh, all right. See, whenever you type pause, it makes it say press any key to continue. Okay. So this is what happens if you don't type pause. And is that? I saved it. I'll open this. See that? Black box comes up and just exits. So make sure you type pause. Okay, now, I'm sorry this is such a short tutorial. The next one should be a little longer. Now, I guess we're jumping straight into it here. I'm going to teach you how to make it where it says select an option. So like we're going to make another line, or let's do two. And then we'll put echo, press C to continue, echo, press E to exit. Okay, so then you're gonna skip a line, put set /P compile equals select one and then a space. Select one, the parenthesis, and then a space. Now, where it says select one, this can be what you want it to say, but I'm just gonna go with select one. So then you put if. Well, actually, before I go into that, what this does is it prompts the user to enter something. So then you put if %, compile, which when they enter something, that is the compile. That whatever they enter here is the value of compile. So if compile equals C, go to next. If compile equals C, go to next. The reason I put that twice is because one for a lowercase c and one for an uppercase. This is case sensitive. So, and then you put if compile equals E, go to end, which that closes it. If compile equals E, to error. The asterisk stands for anything else. Like if it's not these or it's anything else, then it goes to error. So now we'll put in our next menu because this says go to next. You put, I think this a colon or a semicolon, I don't know. I'm pretty dumb. So alright, then you put the colon, and you put next, which this is our next menu. Then you put echo hi. And so like if they push C to continue, then it'll show echo hi. And then now we'll put in our error menu. Because this says go to error. Invalid command. Please retype your command. And then we gotta put pause here. My bad, we gotta put pause here too. So now this should be all ready. Let me save this and hold on, I'll show you what I did because yeah, like I said, I'm new with this Cam Studio. Minimize that, bring it up here. Here we go. See? Now here's the prompt. C to oh, that was weird. Anyway, E to exit. And C to continue. Now I have a bug, so gotta go back and look at this. Oh, okay. Now for all of these, my bad. You gotta put, I think, two equal signs. That's what I think was going wrong. Let me try it. Yeah, there we go. Okay, yeah, you have to put two. And one more thing before I end this tutorial. You can push at the beginning up here, color, and then combination of numbers, and it'll change your color of it, like so. And you can put CLS on a new menu, and that closes not the whole batch, but that closes everything on the screen, on the batch screen. So like here, how it shows all this junk here, you can push C, and then it'll clear it all out like that, and then it got rid of all that junk. Okay, so I guess this was a pretty lame tutorial, but it's a good one for starters. This has been a .executable tutorial. Thank you.